guys, Tyler from GamingNextAGE, bringing you another episode of Dragon Ball Xenoverse, and we're gonna kill Vegeta today, and maybe even end the Saiyan Saga. Yeah, I wanted to, so I joined Piccolo's training because I want the special beam cannon, because right now, I only have one ultimate, and that's like the starter ultimate, the one that, you know, sucks a lot of dick. Double Kamehameha! Kamehameha was a lot stronger on Nappa. When I get the special beam cannon, though, and Piccolo's Z-Soul, it's gonna be really good. Yeah, and then they thought they killed him, but they didn't. Hate to ruin your day, but they didn't kill him.
Well, you've got some good moves.
Thanks, Piccolo. You're my friend. Vegeta mad. Real mad. Oh, he's gonna turn into... He's turning into a great ape now.
What? Burst open and mix!
That'll... Context. If people... Vegeta and his contextness.
Now you see, this is the end for you!
Power times 10, Vegeta transforms. You can fight against great apes in this game for, like, parallel quests, but you can never be a great ape, which kind of sucks. Okay, that's a tutorials on fighting great apes, but, you know, I don't know. Like, I'm just gonna charge and then shoot beams at him. That seems like the best strategy. And not be on the ground when he stomps like that.
That killed Grandpa, and the one that destroyed the arena.
Great apes are weak. Vegeta's weak.
Go on, I'll go with you. Yeah.
Hey, we have new friends.
He's a great ape, but he'll turn back and cut his tail off. Go on, let's go cut out that.
Wait, how did they know that he'll turn back if they cut his tail off?
Hey guys.
I mean, it does, but how do they know?
All you have to do is fight to protect them.
Oh, okay, I have to protect them. I'm going to protect the shit out of you. Go and get the tail, and I'm going to... No! Ah, he got me. Ow! God, mouth beams. One more Kamehameha should do. Get him! Get him! Got him! KO! Fatality! Is he gonna dodge? Well, he dodged in the show. So, yeah. They cuss a lot in this game. Look at it. It's like every time you beat someone, or like in cutscenes, they're like, damn it. So, I thought this was going to be like Kai, so they don't cuss at all. Prince's Pride. Limit Battle. Limit Battle? I don't know what Limit Battle means. But I'm okay with that. Because we just have to kill Vegeta. Faster! Goddamn! Yeah, this is definitely not, like, kitted down as I thought it would be. So apparently, like, the people in the story campaign can give you a debuff. I'm not sure what it does, but, you know, debuffs are debuffs, I guess. God, fuck off. Whoa. He didn't even get hurt by that at all. Whoa, whoa. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Oh, can't do anything down here. Okay. I got molested. Stop molesting me. Nothing? God, why does he not only focus on me? Why does Vegeta hate me? Fatality!
You're not getting away!
No, no, no.
Why are you stopping me? It's okay. What? Next time, I'll beat him on my own. Thank you.
We are the hero of time. This has been Tyler from GamingNextAGE. I hope you have enjoyed. We just finished the Saiyan saga. So yeah, see you next time when we do the Frieza saga. Goodbye.
To normal now.
Gay!